Today, we also launched the Airbus 350-1000, one of the most modern wide-bodied aircraft designed for long-haul travel. It is the first in Southeast Asia and 10th in the world. Patunay ito ng ating pagsisikap na makapaghatid ng serbisyong abot kamay, malinaw, praktikal, at kapaki-pakinabang sa ating mga kababayan. Inaasahan nating malaking ginhawa ang mga ito para sa ating mga biyahero, turista, manggagawa, negosyante o pamilya. Ang kailangan lang gawin ng ating mga magsasaka, magtanim at alagaan yung kanilang tanim at mag-ani. Pagkatapos nilang mag-ani, ay tutulungan namin sila pag-process, pagtuyo, paghiling, pag-polishing, lahat na hanggang sa market, hanggang sa palengke. As we all know, water is a precious resource that sustains our health and our life and enables economic activities. When water systems work, progress flows. Pinagdiriwan natin ngayong araw ang dangal, tibay ng loob at pambihirang kakayahan ng atletang Pilipino. In a very true sense, the Bangsamoro government will have a big advantage, perhaps even over other regional governments and even the national government. Why do I say that? I say that because you are creating a government from a blank sheet, on a blank sheet of paper. You do not need to make the same mistakes that everybody else has done in the past.